we are going to work on central tendency. As central tendency is concerned, we can express in three ways. One is by mean, second is by median, and third is by with the help of mode, wherein we will today start with mean. And as I said that when I will do the mean calculation, I will do it with continuous series. Now, how a class interval data looks like, I'll try to make it a small example. Let me start with the age only. Okay, this age, I'm taking an example of an age. Later on, we'll come with a live example of the IPL itself. Yeah, so age, there is a set of students, there are a set of athletes between the age group of 0 to 10. And there are 15 athletes. 15 athletes. There are 53 athletes. 53 athletes in the age group of 20 to 30. And there are 75 players. There are 75 players who are between the age group of 30 to 40 also. And there are 100 players. 100. There are 100 players between the age group of 40 to 50 also. And there are 110 players who are in the age group of 50 to 60. And 115 more players are there who are the ex-players, the retired players, who are between the bracket of 60 to 70. Now, this is the frequency. This is the frequency. It's very much similar to the discrete series. The only difference is that you have the now age groups. Why you have made the age group? Because you know how many athletes are there? Just let me know number of athletes. Number of athletes. Number of athletes. Please let me know the number of athletes. 6?
23.
Where should I write? Here or beneath the F column?
F column.
F column, sir.
Yes. What is the score? 623.
623.
623 is the total number of athletes. I hope you are getting the logic. If we start writing in individual series, would it be possible?
No, sir, it would
No,
be
sir.
Cumbersome.
so much.
It will be cumbersome. It will be challenging. It will be
Yes,
difficult.
sir.
Yeah. So that is why this continuous series has to be used. That is why grouping or classification has to be done. This makes the process more easy and more relevant. With this table in front of your screen, it's easier for you to understand the age group, isn't it? If this would have been an individual series, it would have been a big time challenge. Now, no problem. Now, let's work it out. It's only one extra step is required, which separates it from the discrete series, is that because this is in class intervals, you can't do f into x, isn't it? It's challenging for you to do f into x. What do you do? You take the midpoint. You take the mid value. You take the mid value of x. This is x. Okay. Yeah. Take the mid value. To take the mid value, you have to just add the lower limit and the upper limit and divide it by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That means, can you let me know the mid value of the first class interval?
5.
It is,
5.
yes, 0 plus 10 divided by 2 equal to 5.
5.
Exactly. Now, can you help me out in getting the next
15.
one?
15, sir.
15.
It's 10 plus 20 divided by 2 equal to 15. Yes.
Next 25, sir.
20 plus 30 divided by 2 is how much?
25.
25. And this becomes 35,
35, 45, 55,
45, 55, 65, and 75.
75.
Very good. Very good. So you got the now mid value. Now is it easy for you to calculate the same way you did it yesterday? No? Yes, it will be. Now you can have the fx,
Yes, sir.
f into x. Now, but I need the shortcut for, okay, I'll do the fx now. Then I'll ask you to do the long cut. Fx. Now what is the fx? Tell me up.
So 75
15 into
into
5
5.
equal
75.
to 75. Yes.
Next
Then
450.
450. Yes.
1325.
Then 1325.
1325. I'm getting only response from two people.
2625.
2625.
2625. I want others to verify. Keep
75.
7475.
9375.
9375. And what's the total of it then?
So 31876.
31876
876.
and 76. Okay, and the formula of mean here is, can anyone tell me the formula?
Sir, fx upon f.
Summation of fx.
Yes, sir.
Or
I use the term n. It will be 31876 divided by 623, and what's the
23.
answer?
51.165.
51.16.
0.165.
I'm just rubbing it off, the one part of it. Now, what I want is that do the same calculation using the step deviation method. Using the step deviation method. In step deviation method, you can take the arbitrary number. You can take the arbitrary number, okay, arbitrary number, and divide it with C. Divide it with C, common factor. Okay, so first take the arbitrary number. Which number would you like to take?
So 35.
55.
You, okay. Aman, you do it with Aman and his group number, do it with 55, and other group do it with 35. If I take 35, if I go with Deepti's 35 as an arbitrary number, then it will be, Deepti, help me out.
Yes, sir.
X is 5.
5 minus
5
35.
minus, yes, okay, fine. 5 minus 35 equal to,
Minus 30, sir.
hmm?
Minus 30. Hello.
Oh, minus 30. Yeah, answer is
Yes,
minus
sir.
30. Yes, minus 30.
Then
Yes,
sir 15 minus 35 is minus 20.
minus 20.
Then 25 minus 35 is minus 10.
Okay,
35 minus 35 is 0.
0.
Then 45 minus 35 is 10.
10.
Then 55 minus 35 is 20.
Okay.
Then 30, then 40, sir. 30, 40.
Okay. So you took arbitrary number 35,
Yes, sir.
and which one would you like to take it as a common factor? Common.
So it can be 5 or it
10.
Why
can
you're
10,
limiting
10, 10, so
yourself to
10.
5? Yeah,
10, 10.
10. Okay. So make this as 10. Take this C as 10 now.
Yes, sir. Then it will become, sir, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So it will
Minus
become
3, minus
minus
3,
3,
minus 2,
minus 2,
minus 1, 0,
0,
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's easier now to
Yes,
calculate. Now
yes,
do
sir.
it. Now do it. Now do it.
Yes, sir.
You have to do FD dash now.
Yes, sir.
So it is 15 into
15 into minus 3,
equal to,
minus 45.
yeah, calculate and tell me up next one.
Yes, sir.
30 into minus 2.
6, minus 60, sir.
30 into minus 2 is minus 60. Other team can work on with their arbitrary number. I'm just taking one example. You can always look at the whiteboard if you are missing something. Okay, I'm trying to connect with the missing links. Okay, it is third one is 53 into minus 1,
Yes, sir. Minus 53.
0,
Since 0, then
100 into
100, 100, 100, then
100 into 1 is 100. Yes,
220, 220,
220,
345.
345,
Yes, sir. And then 500, sir.
500. Yes. So was it the sum total?
Yes, sir. And
Yeah. See, this is how when you continuously play with the numbers, you start finding there is something issues and all. Okay. Now let's come to the formula. Is the formula correct? Is the formula correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is A here?
35.
35,
And what is FD dash?
Sir, 1007.
7,
And what is N?
623,
So 623.
623.
51.163.
Yes. So you got the same answer with this calculation also?
Yes.